Hi, this is Alex from Sunsure Hub. Today we're going to take a look around this 4-bed, 2-bath villa exclusively on the market with us at Valle Golf. Let's go inside. Benefits from lots of upgrades, including a 4th bedroom, modern kitchen, updated bathrooms, solar panels and a pool heater. Plus, what some may say is the most important part of this villa is this custom-built walk-in wardrobe within the master bedroom. If you're ready to start living your best life in the sun, then give us a call today on 0034 692 215 470 or email sales@sunsurehub.com.